Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on your Windows 11 PC. So what we want to do is go up to Settings right here and select it, and then go on down to System, and then go to the right and go to Sound. And then we want to go on down to the Input section. This is going to be for our microphone. Just make sure the microphone that you're trying to use is selected under this screen. So we can select it now. I got my PS5 headset on here, or my wireless controller. It thinks it's a microphone on my computer. So sometimes if you plug in a new device, it's going to automatically switch over to that device, and then it's going to stop your older microphone and switch to the newer one that you just plugged in. So sometimes this is annoying. So you can select it now and go into it, and then make sure it's not disabled. So if you don't want to use a microphone and you just want to disable it, you can disable it right here. But sometimes you might have accidentally disabled something. Make sure you have allowed set to here. So it says don't allow. So this is what it looks like. And then we can go down to the input volume. Make sure the volume is loud enough under here too, so we can actually speak. So you can kind of see it go up and down. So if I put it at 100, and I can hear all the background noise, like an air conditioning going on in the background. But just make sure it's high enough. And then you can go to Start Test right here. And then you can stop it after a few seconds of speaking. And you can see under playback, if you just play this, what it sounds like. So make sure it's working and you have it selected under here so you can actually hear things. Now, if it doesn't work under here, then we're probably going to have to try something else like updating the driver. So we can go on down to more sound settings right here too and select this. So I'm not sure exactly what your issue is, but we can go over to the recording tab. So if we want to disable something right here, we can go to disable, and then it will always be on our default microphone no matter what we plug in. But just going over to your microphone and then go to this option and set as default device and set as default communication device. So it's always selecting that microphone over anything else you just plug in. So we have this set up right here. Then we can also go to properties on our microphone and go to listen and go to listen and apply. And then we can just test this out and start speaking. So if we get some audio through here, we know it's working. So we probably just want to put this on and start speaking, and then we're going to hear ourselves through our speaker. So we can set this as default device right here. Now another thing that we might want to do is go on over to the properties tab right here, and then go to levels or advanced, and just make sure you have some of these other modes turned on. You could try turning on some sort of enhancements for the audio, or maybe you have more options than I do. Just look through these different options and see if there's something that could help your microphone work. So we got the controller information, we got the different drivers too. We could try looking at the driver details through here. Maybe there's an option to update them. But another thing that we can do is look at the device manager, going down to search, device manager, and open this up. And this will allow us to look at the audio devices. So let's go to this right here and go to input and outputs, and then look for a microphone where your microphone is. So I got my headset microphone DualSense Edge wireless PS5 controller. I can right click on this, and I can go to properties on here and then go to drivers. Now this gives me the option to uninstall the driver. So I can uninstall it right here, and then I can update the driver after I do that. So I can just do a fresh copy of the driver on my computer, and I can just do that through here. And you can see if it will work then. Or you can try rolling back a driver, and you can look at the driver details. So a lot of options on here. Or you could try just disabling it completely. You got this X right here. You can uninstall the device, update driver. So if it's not showing up under here, there could be some hidden ones. So you can go to show hidden devices too and see if it's under show hidden devices. And you can try enabling under there. Now, another thing that we could try is maybe we got some sort of permissions that are wrong. We can go to settings and then go on over to privacy and security, and then go down to microphone. And just make sure you have microphone access turned on, and then turn it on for the app you're trying to use. So maybe I accidentally had to turn off for Xbox. I'm trying to use it on the Xbox app. Well, if I have it turned off, it's not going to work. So Just make sure it's turned on for all the applications you're trying to use it in. And one more thing I can show you is if we go back to sound under settings, we can look at the volume mixer. We can set the default microphone per application with this. So here's the volume mixer. And then we can go to the top. So I don't know what we're having issue with. Could be system sounds. Well, if we go to the default device for that, like let's go to Steam, for example, we can put a default device just for Steam. So if it's not working, just set a default input device, and then you can change it on the top here. So a couple of different options to look at through the sound setting to get it to work. And then also look at your different connections. Maybe you're not even plugging into the correct slot. So if you're not seeing it under Device Manager, you have a connection issue. So you might have to connect it to a different USB port. Maybe you'll have to put in the little auxiliary sound slots on the side. I don't know. But just go ahead and look at everything as an option under here. Make sure it's connected to your computer. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below.